Hello, dear friends. This is Phone Support Channel. Before you start watching this video, please subscribe to the channel and give it a like. And also write your feedback in the comments if this video helped you. Or if you have any questions. Thank you. In this video, I want to show and tell you how to log out of one of your Instagram accounts. It's really easy to do. Watch and repeat after me. To log out of an account, you open your Instagram profile. Then you click on the three dots. Next, you click on Profile Settings. After that, you go down to the bottom. Here you find the login item. And underneath that, you click on the button, Log Out. You click on that, and here you can select and check the boxes next to the accounts that you want to log out of. If you have one account, you just log out of it. As you can see, it's a very simple and quick way. Done. There's nothing complicated at all. If you like this video, give it a like and subscribe to the channel. And also watch other useful videos on the channel. That was Phone Support. Bye bye. See you later.